One, say goodbye. Say hello to little Freckles. Say hi to little Princess. She's a little shy right now, but she's a good doggy. And little Freckles, just right there. And how's it going, guys? Right now, guess what came in the mail? I know it seems very ironic that what came in the mail is what came in the mail for the Alejandro 904 just not that long ago. So, what I got here is a Stour 1933. The Graves 1933. Let's unlock this bad boy here. Look at that. That looks beautiful. Look at that. See, it looks Stour. A little envelope of something. It's a Stour now. Oh, we got a little cleaning cloth right there. That also says Stour. And here we have the main event. Stour 1933 gold plate and gold the 24 karat gold surrounding it. Look at that. It looks beautiful. Look at the strap. I mean, doesn't that look beautiful? You know, the strap. I think it's crocodile leather. You might be thinking, Emil, what is that? What is that circling? Well, my friends, it is not a time travel device. However, it actually winds up the main spring. I heard it's a rotor, and it charges it up, not like electrically, but it like tightens the spring, and then the spring, as it goes on, and it powers the gears and stuff and helps it work. So no batteries required. Oh. And inside, I love these watches. They're called skeleton watches, where you flip them over, or sometimes they even show the face of it. They show like the inside of the watch, which I like. And I heard, and I know they have, they said it with jewels. Oh, by the way, a nice branding on the back. It says Stour right there. Anyway, if you look inside, I think you can just barely see it. Wait a minute, let me just put it down. Sorry. See that? That's one of the gears, and those colored things, those things that have color in it. Oh, by the way, that thing with the numbers, the green thing over there, it's just my clock. Oh, it's 9:30. Anyway, those are rubies, and this is a rotor. It shakes around, powers it, and you can do it manually also. I love Stour. This is my first Stour watch, and it's also my first watch. This is my first watch that I've got from Stour, and this is also my first watch that I got from the internet, actually. Very neat gadget. Oh, and if you already noticed, it has a total of five gauges. That one right there tells the month. I think you can just barely see it. Says December, January, February, March, April. Like the works. And that one on the left, it tells the day of it. Like the first, second, third, fourth, fifth, day. And then over here it tells the day, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. And the one with the dials going around. That's the main one. It's called a clock. I think you've heard of it before. And this one, it tells a 24-hour time. After 12, it's like 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19, and 20, 21, 22. Well, it goes on. When that thing, it tells if it's like a night or day. So it tells you if it's like PM or AM. And well, I haven't gotten to, well, I haven't gotten it, to, you know, I forgot the word for it. I haven't gotten the, later after I do this video or I upload to YouTube, I will, put it, onto it's like 9:32, and I'll put it up on PM time. But it's pretty much all good. It's pretty close right now. Anyway, guys, that is my new watch. I mean, look at it. Look at it. It's 24 karat gold right there. By the way, it's time for art. See that? Oh, it was made by a guy named K. Cummings. I know it's a weird name, but he comes to your house a lot. No kidding. Oh, and by the way, there's my diploma from the president. Oh, and there's my. I was from Perry. Nothing. There's another painting. I don't know how to pronounce the name. There's another one. I don't know how to pronounce the name too. And there's the final one. I don't know how to pronounce the name of it, but they're all good. There's an antique lamp, and that. By the way, you might be wondering why I'm wearing a Lakewood shirt. It's because I'm right now after calm down, Freckles, calm down. Right now, I am filming this after my concert, and my family thinks I did really well. And that'll be it. Bye.